Hello, my name is R.A.SH from R.A.SH Tronics. Today I'm going to show our cruise control module installed into the new Vito 447 and the Sprinter 907 FlexRay. Both are the FlexRay steering. Okay, our cruise control is installed into the CANbus, into the system of the vehicle, and it's operated by a small remote control that can be mounted on a hand control, and it can do all functions of the steering, like cruise. Here I'm going to show you. Press and hold this will activate the limit. Press and hold will activate the cruise, and then you have the decelerate, accelerate, and the central button here is doing the resume. Now I'm going to make a test drive. Okay, now I'm driving. Now I press and hold the resume button. Okay, there, as you can see, the system is locked, and now I can do the shortly press or press and hold is the same thing. So to accelerate, okay, so I press again, 60, 70, 80. Okay, now also the good thing about the driving with this cruise control is like it's braking. So basically when I reduce the speed with using only the cruise control, I can drop the vehicle speed. Okay, here down to 20. If I shortly press the foot brake, it cancels, and then I can do the accelerate or resume. This is the resume. Now we have to, the speed should be above 20 here. Okay, now I press the resume, it continue, and now I can do the acceleration again. Okay, again I'm going to show here. I'm pressing the foot brake, cancelling the cruise, and then I press the resume. It locks the last speed. Thank you for watching.